Here image of A is 1, image of B is 2, image of C is 4. All the images are different, 5 elements, but range contains only 3 elements. Always range is a subset of codomain. Range is a subset of what? Codomain. If I write in order pair first element should not repeat. Second element can repeat, but first element should not repeat. If you have at least one element in codomain which does not act as image, then I call it as into. A function is said to be bijective function if it is both 1, 1 and onto. What is bijection? A function is said to be bijective function. Now whatever the function I wrote in ray diagram, this is 1, 1 as well as onto. A function, if it's both 1, 1 and onto, we call it as bijective function. Welcome to the session, dear students. In my last class, I have done problems of functions. So in today's class, I am giving the brief structure of what is a function, how many types of functions are there. So now this is the key concept for any function. See here, set x and y be two non-empty sets. A subset f of x cross y is called as function if two conditions are satisfied. Condition number 1, for x belonging to capital X first set, there is a unique value in y belongs to y such that order pair x of y belongs to function. For example, if I want to make you understand better, so we read this as f maps x to y. X, the first set, is called as domain, y, the second set, is called as codomain. What is the first set? Domain. What is the second set? Codomain. I can call this as function. Suppose if I have 3 elements here, A, B, C. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. A maps to 1, B maps to 3, C maps to 2, suppose. So now here every element of x should be related with y. So here f of a, function of a, is 1. So means for x belong to x, means one element belonging to this, there is unique element in y. There is unique element in what? Y. There should be unique element. Suppose if C does not map to anything, then it is not function. Here you can see for A belonging to x, we have image in y. F of B, image of B is 3 and image of C is what? 4. Sorry, image of C maps to what? 2. For every element belonging to first set, there is unique element in second set. And second one, elements of x should not repeat. Elements of x, see f of a, f of b, f of c, means one element should not have more than one image. Suppose a goes to 1 and a goes to 2. If I write 2 elements, then it is not a function. So one element should contain one image. One element should contain one image. So now one simple example here. They give set 1, 2, 3, set B, A, B, C. So here 1 comma A means f of 1, function of 1 is to A. 2 comma B means f of 2 is B. 3 comma C means f of 3 is C. See, 3 elements has 3 different images. And 1, 2, 3 belongs to first set A, B, C belongs to second set. So every element in A is associated with unique element in B. And first element should not repeat in order pair. 1, 2, 3, they are not repeating. So therefore this is a function. Means I can call a relation as function if every element in the first set is associated with unique element in second set. If I write in order pair first element should not repeat. Second element can repeat, but first element should not repeat. So these two conditions, if any relation satisfies or any Cartesian product satisfies, then we call that as function. Next, domain, codomain, range of a function. Domain, codomain and range of a function. So now here I wrote a function f maps A to B. So I will show ray diagram also. F maps A to B. Here they have given set A. So set A means set of first elements. What are first elements? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Set of second elements. Second elements means what? A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. And these are images. See, set A 1, 2, 3, 4, set B, A, B, C, D, and now we'll write here 1 comma A means 1 maps to A, 2 comma B means 2 maps to B, 3 comma C means 3 maps to C, 4 comma D means 4 maps to D. Means image of 1 is A, image of 2 is B, image of 3 is C, image of 4 is D. So every element in domain, the first set we call it as domain, second set we call it as codomain. Or when they write order pair 1a, 2b, 3c, 4d, group all the first elements. First elements you have 1, 2, 3, 4. You write them in one set. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We call this as what? Domain. And group all the second elements. Second elements means a, b, c, d. That is range. Range means set of images. What is range? Set of images. And codomain means second set. In second set we may also contain extra elements. Always range is subset of codomain. To make you understand this better, I'll take one function. Let me write one function, or let me define one function. So observe, f maps say a to b. Say we have a 3 elements, a, b, c. Say b we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements. A maps to 1, b maps to 3, c maps to 5. So this is a function. See, for any function, the first set is called as domain. So first set elements, what are the elements? A, B, C. So we call this as what? Domain. Set of elements of first set, domain. And images. So you can see f of a means image of a. A maps to what? 1. F of b, b maps to what? B is going to what? 3. And f of c maps to what? 5. So 1, 3, 5 are called as images. What we call 1, 3, 5 as images. Set of images is range. So 1, 3, 5 na, if you write 1, 3, 5 in a set, and we call that set as what? Range. Range means set of images. What is range? Set of images. And codomain. Codomain means second set. Codomain means second set. What is the second set? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So codomain. Codomain contains 5 elements, but range contains only 3 elements. Always range is a subset of codomain. Range is a subset of what? Codomain. So now for this function I wrote. And same function, f of a 1, f of b 3, f of c 5, I can write f is equal to order pair cell baribodu. A comma 1, then b comma 3, then c comma 5. We can also write this in what? Order pairs. We can write the function like this, a1, b3, c5. Or we can write using ray diagram. First set is domain, second set is codomain, set of images is range. What is set of images? Range. And one more method, or one more simple example I can take. Say f maps a to b. First you should know how to read this. How to read this? F maps a to b. And a is, say a is 1, 2, 3 elements, and b is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and f of x is x plus 2. What is f of x? X plus 2. They will give definition. Now you find image of 1. F of 1 means image of 1. Image of 1 means in the place of x put 1. It will become 1 plus 2. What is 1 plus 2? 3. Then find f of 2. F of 2 means image of 2. What is image of 2? In the place of x put 2. If you put 2, it will become 2 plus 2. What is 2 plus 2? 4. Then f of 3. Image of 3. Image of 3 means in the place of x put 3. So it will become 3 plus 2. What is 3 plus 2? 5. Now you got images. Image of 1 is 3. Image of 2 is 4. Image of 3 is 5. So set of images, if you write, set of images is called as range. So now I can write range. So first set, this is domain. Second set, codomain. Range. Range means what? What is the range? Set of images. What are the images you got? Image of 1 is 3. And image of b is 4. 2 is 4, 5. 3, 4, 5 are the images. I hope all of you understood how to define it. So now, my dear students, read this. How to read this? F maps P to Q. What is P? Domain. What is Q? Codomain. What is range? Set of images. Range is subset of codomain. Next we have types of functions. One is into function. Into function, f maps a to b is called as into function if there is at least one element in set B which does not act as image. For example, I'll write ray diagram that it will be simple. F maps a to b. I'll write, see, set A is like this, A, B, C, and say set B is like this, 1, 2, 3, 4. So image of A is 1. So image of B is also 1. Image of C is 3. See here I call this as into function. Why? Because two elements do not act as image. See, in set B 2 does not act as image. 2 does not act as what? Image. Element 2 does not act as image. And 4 also does not act as image. 4 does not act as image. If you have at least one element in codomain which does not act as image, then I call it as into. Into function andre eno? Set B, second set means what is this set called as? Codomain. In codomain you should have at least one element which does not act as image. Here 2 is not acting as image and 4 is not acting as image, therefore it is not, therefore it is into function. What we call it as? Into function. Into means in codomain there should be at least one element which should not act as image, or which do not have pre-image, so which is not an image. So now 2 is not an image, 4 is not an image. If you have at least one element which is not an image, then it is into. Now many to one. Many to one means more than one element in domain should have same image. For example, I'll take F maps A to B. Many to one means very simple. If I have ABC here, 1 2 3 here, A maps to 1 and B maps to 1 and C maps to 3. Here two elements have same image. If you have more than one element with same image, see here F of A is also 1, F of B is also 1. So means many elements have same image. If you have more than one element with same image, here what is the image of A? 1. What is the image of B? 1. So two elements if they have same image, two or more elements if they are same image, we call it as many to one. Means many elements are mapping to 1. So that's why we call it as many to one. What is many to one? So we say at least here many to one means if different elements have same image. Here A and B are different elements, both are having same image called 1. Image of A is also 1, image of B is also 1. That's why it is many to one. If more than one element in domain has same image, we call it as many to one. Now 1 to 1, very important. 1 to 1 function means different elements in domain should have different images. Means two elements should not have same image. See, for example, if I write like this, F maps A to B, I have A, B, C, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, A maps to 1, B maps to 2, C maps to 4. Please observe, here image of A is what? 1, image of B is what? 2, image of C is what? 4. So different elements has different images. Image of A is not same as image of B, and image of B is also not same as image of C. All are different. So no two elements should have same image, or different elements should have different images. Then it is 1 to 1. And this is 1 to 1 and it is also onto. Why? Because idik image illa. If any element does not have image, or if any element does not act as image, here 3 is not acting as image. So this is onto. But at the same time it is 1 1 also. 1 1 means what? Different elements should have different images. Two elements should not have same image. Here image of A is 1, image of B is 2, image of C is 4. All the images are different. No two elements have same image. Therefore it is 1 1. 1 1 means what? Different elements in domain should have different images in codomain. No two elements should have same image. Mathematical form. If I tell image of x1 is equal to image of x2, then x1 and x2 should not be different. They should be same. That is the mathematical meaning. Next, onto. Very important. Onto means simple. Every element in codomain. Codomain means second set. Every element in codomain should act as image. So for example, F maps A to B. A is A, B, C. B is 1, 2. A maps to 1, B maps to 2. C also maps to 2. In codomain I have two elements. Both are acting as what? Images. Here I don't have any element without image, without acting as image. 1 is also image, 2 is also image. So f of A is 1, f of B is 1, f of B is 2, f of C is also 2. So now 1, 2, two elements are there, both are acting as image. Here we don't have empty element. Here if you write codomain, what is codomain, my dear students? Codomain means second set. What is second set? 1 comma 2. What is range? Range means set of images. What is range? Set of images. That is also 1 comma 2. If a function is onto, if a function is what onto, then codomain and range both will be same. ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆನ್ ಟು ಆದರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೋಡೊಮೈನು ರೇಂಜು ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಕೋಡೊಮೈನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೇಂಜ್ ಬೋತ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಸೇಮ್. ಆನ್ ಟು ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. In the second set, every element should act as image. For example, if I write f maps p to q, a b c, and say 1 2 5 9, c maps to 9, b maps to this and this. Now I have written image of a 1, image of b 2, image of c 9. But here you can see 5 is not acting as image. 5 is not acting as image. Therefore, this is not onto. Onto means what? All the elements should act as image, but 5 is not acting as image. Therefore, it is not onto. This is not onto. We call it as into. Now I'll write m to n. Function is mapping to capital M to capital N, and m is xy, and this is say 1 2 3, and sorry, this is xyz. X maps to 1, y maps to this, z maps to 3. Here 1 2 3, 3 elements are also acting as image. Therefore, this is onto. But at the same time, it is 1 1 also. 1 1, why? Because different elements with different images. No two elements are same image. And it is onto. Why? Because 3 elements are there. All 3 are acting as image. In second set, if every element acts as image, we call it as onto. Therefore, this is onto. Now, we have the last type of function, that is bijection. A function is said to be bijective function if it is both 1 1 and onto. What is bijection? A function is said to be bijective function if it is both 1 1 and onto. For example, I'll take f maps a to b. I have a b c. I have 5 9 10. Say a maps to 5, b maps to 9, c maps to 10, some function. See here, f of a is 5, f of b is 9, f of c is 10. See, all the elements are having different images because f of a, f of b, f of c all are different. F of a is not equal to b, not equal to c. Therefore, it is 1 1. Do you agree or not? What is meant by 1 1 function? A function is said to be 1 1 function if different elements in domain has different images. Now, the domain means first set. In first set, we have 3 elements. All 3 elements are having different images. Image of A is 5, image of B is 9, image of C is 10. They are not equal. A is not equal to B is not equal to C. Therefore, it is 1 1. Different elements with different images. And whether it is onto or not. See, here in codomain, what is meant by codomain? Second set. In second set, we have 3 elements. And all 3 elements are acting as image. 5 is acting as image, 9 is acting as image, 10 is acting as image. If all 3 elements are acting as image, so no element is left free. Illira ella elements image agide. Therefore, it is onto. Why it is onto? Because all the elements are acting as images. Here, if I write codomain, codomain is what? Second set. What is second set? Codomain is 5 9 10. And if I write range, what is range? Range means what? Set of images. So set of images means 5 9 10. Are they same or not? So your codomain value and range value both are equal. So therefore, it is onto. So now whatever the function I wrote in ray diagram, this is 1 1 as well as onto. A function, if it is both 1 1 and onto, we call it as bijective function. What we call it as? Bijective function, or we say bijection. Other name is what? Bijection. So now other name is bijection. See now other terms. 1 1. So in mathematics, 1 1 is also called as injection or injective function. Other name is what? Injective. Injective function. Onto is also called as surjection. Onto is called as what? Surjective function or surjection. See, if a function is both, we call it as bijection or bijective function. If a function is both 1 1 and onto, we call it as bijection. So today I started with the basic f maps A to B. A means first set, B means second set. First set is domain and second set is codomain. Set of images, if you group all the images, we call it as range. And then first I taught you what is meant by onto function. Onto function means some of the elements, first we studied into, then onto, then many to one, then one to one. Into means some of the elements in codomain does not act as image, and onto means every element in codomain acts as image. One to one means different elements in domain will have different images in codomain, and one, and then if it is one and onto, we call it as bijective function. So these are the different types of functions. Just become thorough with the definition. Still now they have not asked any question depending on this, but it's a basic, it's there in the syllabus. Types of functions, I've covered all the types of functions. Just recollect and become thorough with the definition and give any relevant example. That will be more than enough, or you can give the same example. And very first I taught you, any relation, any order pair, I cannot call it as function. So function means first elements in the order pair should not repeat, means two elements should not have one image. So one element should not have two images. Order pair, when you write, first element should not repeat, and every element in the first set should have image. So these are the basics. Recollect the basics and become thorough so that you can answer the questions. Okay, my dear students, I gave the basics of definitions. I'll see you in my next session. Till then, become thorough with what? Definitions. Thanks for attending. Thank you.